Household vocabulary with pictures.
Let's get started.
Table,
chair,
bed,
couch,
closet,
shelf,
lamp,
nightstand,
oven,
microwave,
washing machine,
dishwasher,
bookshelf,
carpet,
mirror,
vase,
kitchen sink,
chandelier,
work desk,
crate,
curtain,
calorifer,
shoe rack,
hanger,
coffee table,
blanket,
kitchen countertops,
tray,
stool,
fork,
spoon,
glass,
toaster,
hair dryer,
iron,
garbage can,
vacuum cleaner,
kettle,
armchair,
wall clock,
pan,
food processor,
umbrella,
mop,
towel,
candle,
kitchen cabinet,
laundry basket,
fruit bowl,
pillow,
dresser,
lampshade,
kitchen knife,
shower curtain,
baby cradle,
shampoo bottle,
hairbrush,
alarm clock,
dressing gown,
weight,
ventilation fan,
bedding set,
shower head,
shaker,
kitchen towel,
ironing board,
hanger,
table lamp,
coffee machine,
cookware set,
drainer,
mixer,
electric heater,
flower pot,
pan set,
cake topper,
kitchen drawer,
spice bowl,
locked safe,
wall shelf,
book reading lamp,
jar,
hot water bottle,
key hanger,
bath towel,
knife set,
storage container,
teapot,
wall hanger,
thermos,
remote control,
child chair,
toy basket,
wall thermometer,
sugar bulk,
electric tea maker,
dish sponge,
mat,
tablecloth,
lock chest,
quilt,
floor lamp,
stool set,
ceiling fan,
kerosene lamp,
freezer,
kitchen table,
hand mixer,
decorative candle holder,
washcloth,
basket,